Welcome to Market Call. Our guest is Jaime Carrasco of Canaccord Genuity. He's going to take your calls, emails, and tweets on North American dividend stocks and precious metal shares. Looking forward to lots of questions about gold and silver producers. 1-855-326-6266 or email marketcall@bnnbloomberg.ca. Jaime, thank you very much indeed for joining us once again.
Thanks for having me back. Nice to be here.
Grant in Edmonton, go ahead.
Good morning, Andrew and Jaime. I have a question regarding the gold and silver producers that are very solid and the current price of gold and silver. Jaime, for myself and other viewers who are holding these precious metal equities, are the values of these companies being reflected based upon free cash flow, price to earnings, and leverage based upon the current commodity prices? Thank you.
As Warren Buffett would say, these are value plays right now. Let me put it into context. Last time gold was sitting at 1,600. I'm looking at the chart right now, which was back in 2011. Okay. The HUI, which is the sector index, was trading at exactly 610. We're sitting at 287 right now.
Whoa.
So about 50% lower than the valuation before. Now, what is that signaling? First of all, that's signaling a massive opportunity as far as I'm concerned, because I'm buying very cheap companies with solid earnings, with solid earnings upside and solid leverage to that to the price of gold and silver at very cheap prices. But it's offering a massive opportunity. So that's why I keep saying, look at the producers. There's no need to start taking risk within the explorers just yet if you haven't built a solid foundation of producers. Now, what I'm more excited about is that I personally think that gold's going north of 3,000. Last year, everybody was talking blockchain. Everybody's now talking Bitcoin and all this because, if you look at some of those plays, they had about a 1,500 to 2,000% increase. But you have to realize that at $3,000 gold, these companies are going to have an earnings move of that leverage, right, of about 1,500 to 2,000%. Never mind the dividend that's going to be paid. Never mind the reserves on the ground. That's why these companies, I keep saying, these are the most amazing financial lifeboats you can buy. And what the current valuation at 276 of the HUI is signaling is that the money isn't coming into these companies just yet. But when it does, one of the things that Bitcoin proves at 60,000 or 57,000, whatever the number is that there's a lot of money sloshing around. So eventually the light is going to come on and this sector is going to be bought. That's why I'd rather own it now. I'd rather buy things when nobody's buying them and hold on to them than before. It's funny, as Canadians, we should really remember that analogy that I think it was Wayne Gretzky said. Don't look at where the puck is, look at where it's going. Where I can tell you that these companies are going much, much higher, and Wayne Gretzky would be on my side